This is the Keychron C2 full-size keyboard. I'm upgrading from this Ziyao 96% to this C2, and this is the box you get it with. As you can see, very nice discreet box, not too flashy. And when you open it up, of course, you get the keyboard, which is right here, but also you get a switch puller and some keycaps, and pretty much that's all. And of course, the braided USB-C cable. So as you can see, this is a full-size keyboard. You have everything you would need in a keyboard, all the F keys, numpad, all there. And these are red switches, the Keychron Reds, and this is the retro color. And you compare this to the other keyboard, the 96% is also kind of retro color, but these keycaps, I could say, is definitely an upgrade from this. Now let's do a sound test real quick of the space bar. A little bit loud, right? It's not the quietest or loudest, but it's a nice little thok. And let's hear the space bar of this. These keys are very nice and creamy. Like, it has that creamy, buttery feel when you type into it, as you can hear it. And compared to this, the Ziyao 96, this one's a little bit louder. This is more, I would say, plasticky feeling. Now, they're both plasticky feeling, but this feels a bit more sturdy, more heft to it. There's more weight to this. It is a bigger keyboard, but it just feels way more nicer to type on. And this is Bluetooth wireless. This is not, so I guess the comparison is not the same. But if you just want a straight to basics, no flashy lights, no extra features, but just a full-size keyboard with the most tactile feel, this C2 does definitely do that really well. And with this C2s, you can actually switch these from Mac to Windows keys. So right now, these are Mac keys. With the switch puller, you can pull these out and put on these Windows keys, as you can see, Windows keycaps. And these are included with the keyboard. But overall, I've been very impressed with the feeling. It just feels really creamy and buttery. I don't know how to explain it. These are nice red switches. I'm not sure exactly what type of switches these are. They're good too. They're more loud. Let's hear it again. Space. And of course, you have your indicator lights right here. Very simple retro setup, full-size keyboard. Great upgrade from this to that. And I don't mind that it's wired. It was a great value for what you get in a keyboard, at least a full-size keyboard. And it's very creamy.